Hello.
Hello, Mr. Ryan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're given this number integer, positive integer, right? Or non-negative integer, and we want to find out, right? We want to find out if we can find any non-negative integers that the sum of it and its reverse equals the n. For example, like if we're given it 443 and there's such number 172, which is non-negative, and its reverse is 271 plus it together equals 443. 140, the reverse is 041. Okay, we can have leading zero, so plus it together equals 181. Okay, 63, we don't find such an integer, like non-negative integer. Plus its reverse is
Can the original number have a leading zero?
the original one. You mean this one?
No, I mean this number, like these.
Yeah. Of course. Don't look. 041. This is the same as 041 plus 140. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're given this n. We want to find out if they are a plus b, right, equals n. Okay. I'm not asking you to find out which number, right? I'm just asking if there's such integer and its reverse. Okay. Make sense? And then we could have a leading zero. So a and b. So a, this is the reverse of b. Okay. Reverse, the integer reverse. So these comes with in pairs. Does it make sense?
Sort of.
Okay, so what's the first solution coming to your mind? If we're given this n and we want to find out if they are non-negative, non-negative a and b plus together is n, and a and b needs to be reverse. Is symmetric, right? Symmetric. How do you spell symmetric? Symmetric, right? What's symmetric?
Both sides are the same, exactly the same.
Symmetrical.
But that's not symmetrical.
What? This is symmetrical.
No, it's not.
I'm drawing two. Okay. So this
They
is
are not
symmetric.
symmetrical. Because one on the right is a wobbly one, but the one on the left is
roughly.
straight.
But your left hand
the
and
one-
right hand symmetrical. Okay.
No, they're not.
Why is that?
I remember my
Yeah, mirror. So basically, it means the kind of mirror, right?
No, they're not.
So
Look,
My left hand is double. My thumb is double jointed, but my other one is not.
okay.
I
mean,
know. So this one is cleaner than this one.
okay. Yeah. Forget about the details, but I'm just saying that you understand.
And also
this,
my
right?
Alvine teacher before I got my Alvine teacher right now, his her pinky is low. Her right one pinky is longer than her left pinky.
Okay. Now let's focus on this problem. So what's your solution? What's the thing in your mind? So if we given this n, so what we can do? What we can do? So how many possibilities we can check? What is the solution that we have to check each possibilities? What is that? What is it called? Start with B. And
Bruteforce.
yeah, Bruteforce. Okay.
Obviously, everything needs a Bruteforce.
Okay, so the most intuitive way, straightforward way, stupid way, right? Given this 443, how many possibilities we have to check? We check from 0, okay, to 443. So there are 444 numbers to check. What I'm saying that we're given n, so we just need to check from 0 to n inclusive, right?
So it can
Because
be
if we have
so
a
it
bigger
can
number,
be like 2,000.
of course n could be anything. So, but the thing is that we have to check up to n, right? For I in range from 0 to n, right? To n plus 1. And then we just have to check if I plus its reverse I equal n, right? Then we return true. Otherwise return false. Am I right? This is the Bruteforce. Return, we can write it using any. Return any I plus reverse I equal n for I in range n plus 1, right? And this reverse function, let's write it. How do we reverse this one? If we say 1, 2, 3, how do we get the 3 to 1?
We use 2-pointer. Switch it around. We just switch it around.
We can, there are two ways. One way is that if we convert it to string, right? If we convert it to string, that will become 1, 2, 3. How do we reverse this bit?
3 to 1.
Yeah, how do we make 3 to 1? We use the, okay, what's this?
List.
Column.
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 Because
Does it
minus 1.
Minus 1, yeah? Remember this one, colon-minus 1, yeah? First of all, we convert it to string, stri, and then we do this colon-minus 1. But this is the string. Now we need to convert it back to integer, right? So we just put it integer part. Okay, this is one way. Another way, 1, 2, 3. How do we get a 3? We talk about that.
Modulus.
Modulus 10, right? And then we get rid of 3 by divided by 10, right? And then we keep doing this, right? Extract the rightmost digit. We extract the ones, and then we remove it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We extract the first digit, 4. We extract the 3. So where do we put the 3? And now I'm taking 3 out. Where should I put it?
Right.
Right, yes. Okay. Now I'm taking 2. Where should I put it?
Right.
Right. And I'm taking 1. Where should I put it?
Right.
Yeah, you see? Define, reverse, and we want to reverse this integer. Right? The answer will be answer at the beginning will be 0. While n is bigger than 0, right? Then we take the last digit. So the last digit will be x, right? X equals n modulus 10. This is 4, right? And then answer equals answer times 10 plus x. Then n divided equal 10, return answer. I want to put a 1 on the right, so I need to multiply this by 10, right? So it becomes 4320, and then plus 1. Make sense? Look, I take the 1, the digit at 1 here. I multiply 10, means that I put a 0 on the right hand side. And then plus x, right? Put the x here. And then the original number needs to be taking out the 1 digit. So we divide it by 10, okay? This is the straightforward solution. So do we have to check every number?
No.
Why? So for example, like 443. Do we have to check from 0 to 443? Can we do better than this? How? Look, we are looking for 2 numbers, A and B, symmetric. They add it together to 443. So do we have to check every number for A? Bruteforce all the possibilities of A, right? So I'm saying A and B are symmetric. So 172, 271 is metric, right?
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical, okay? So these 2 numbers are symmetrical. So does it matter that which one is which? It doesn't matter, right?
They're not symmetrical. That 7th line is a
172, I mean reverse digit. Okay, that's symmetrical.
No,
Okay.
they're not. That one has been rubbed out a little bit.
Okay.
Symmetrical is like
And that 2 is not opposite.
symmetrical is like a mirror.
Yeah.
So if I did 1, 7, 2,
Yeah.
it'll be like this 1, 7.
Ah, okay.
That's
okay.
symmetrical.
Okay, that's the
But the
confusion
one-
here. Okay.
But the one on the right side is the 2 is slightly
Okay,
bigger
okay.
than
Let's
the one on the
forget
left.
about this. What I'm saying, the 172 and 271, this is symmetrical. Okay. Forget about the shape. Okay.
No, it's not symmetrical, it's reversed.
Ah, okay. That makes more sense. Okay. But what I'm saying is that this A and B can be interchangeable. Alright? So do we actually have to go through this? Can we just do half? That's what I meant. We check from the middle. Does it make sense, yeah? Because we only have to check half of it. And the other one we just use the mass. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So which half? The first half from 0 to the middle or the middle to the end. This is the one question for you. Ivy, you're listening.
Yeah, I am listening.
Okay, so from what's the half of 443?
Spider.
It is
let's say 2 to 1 or right? 2 to 1 or 2 to 1.5, okay? Do we check numbers from 0 to 2 to 1 or from 2 to 1 to 443? We check this number, so we go through this number and then we reverse it and we add it together to see if it adds up to 443. Which one do you think is better?
left one.
Why left one?
Because it's
If you do it the other half, it's obviously going to be bigger.
No, that's a tricky one.
because well, either way, I think they're the same way, but
Are you sure? How about I give you a hint? Leading zeros. Which part does not consider the leading zeros?
The right part.
So
The
look,
left part.
left part does not consider leading zero. Why? Because 0, 1, 2, 3. You reverse this, you never get leading zero. Am I right? Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Is it true?
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah.
So for example, like you because look
How about
zero. No. What I'm saying,
What
like, for
if you do
example, zero.
180?
Hmm?
What if you do 180?
Yeah.
You do get a leading zero if you do 180.
Yeah, that's true. What I meant is that look, this 0, 1, 9. We don't check this 0, 1. 0, 1, 9 become 1, 9, 0, right? So we check from this side. We check from this side because when we iterate over this range, right? We're missing this. For example, if it's 3 digits, we're missing this 0 here. Am I right?
Yeah.
So when we reverse this 19, it will become a 91. But if we check the integer from 910 and then you reverse, it will be 019. Okay? So we got a leading zero in this case. Make sense? So the improvement is that we start from the middle integer. We start from the middle integer and then we go through all the half numbers and then we check its reverse and then we add it together and we check if it's a 443, if it's a given n, and if it is, then we return true, otherwise return false. The time complexity, if they are n, right? So this is O n divided by half, right? Times the reverse function takes om, right? Let's say m. M is the digit, right? 1, 2, 3. So it needs the 3 iterations to get to the digits. So m is roughly log base 10 n, right? So it's O n times log 10 base n. N over 2 is the same as n when we talk about time complexity because this 2 is the constant. We drop the constant. Okay, make sense? There are better approach like mathematics and also binary search, but which are too complicated for you. Okay, so we're not going to talk about that today. Okay, so what have you learned today?
Yeah, we learned about the calculation of like reverse the numbers added. So we have a number and we want the sum to add up to that. So we have reversed. So we try to see if it's possible to like reverse the numbers and add the sum together.
Okay, we just use the Bruteforce, yeah? So the key thing to take away is that we start from the half, from middle to n, just to iterate half of the numbers. And then you know how to reverse a number. How many ways we can reverse a number?
2.
2. Okay, can you just say one of it?
Colon minus 1.
Yeah, we convert to a string. We use the colon minus 1 to reverse the string. And then we need to convert it back using the int function, okay? That's it for today. Bye-bye. Bye.